Alright guys, it's Monday morning. I'm up here in Angeles City, like downtown Angeles City in South. Luis is into PhilHealth, renewing or paying for our yearly plan we had through PhilHealth. I'm up here sitting in some little park I found. But yeah, we're going to do some walking around. I got my 1,300 peso gay sunglasses on. Had a comment, and the comment said, I'm wearing a 1,300 peso gay sunglasses. So there they are, I got them on. You know what, it's funny because the channel's growing, in which it is, and I thank you guys for subscribing and for watching the videos that I put out. But as the channel grows, so do some of the entertaining comments that are coming up. But you know what, the best thing is, there's this thing called delete, remove, and I use it quite a bit. So, but anyways, we're going to take a little stroll around up in this area and show you some of the sights and sounds up here. All right, so we are right beside Nipo Mall, and we're going to head down this way, walk some of the streets down here, and check out this area. Vendors setting up. Got the flower shops here, huh, pal? Beautiful flowers. Oh yeah, it's getting warm out. We'll get up here where the vendors are. Guys, check out some of the vendors. Stores here. You got Fresh Option Meats over there. They're a big chain company here. Fresh Options. They're located all over the place here in Angeles City and Daewoo and other places. I want to walk in the shade. It's starting to get warm. Yeah, we'll go this way. Just more vendors. on walking, keep on walking. The bakeries here, the restaurants here. Hopeful. Taylor watch repairs, pawn shops. Oh, loud music, loud music, loud music. There's some sidewalk construction going on. Got the guys here. No safety glasses, no safety shoes, no safety ears. Just bang away, hit away, and pick up the sidewalk. Sunglasses, glasses. Hey, look. Look, there's a 268 shop right there. Just vendor after vendor after vendor. You got watch vendors here. And let me step inside. Hello, good morning. Watch cases for your phone, wallets, purses, all kinds of stuff. Headphones. More covers for your cell phone. Let's check out the next one. Pretty much the same thing. Little fans, selfie sticks, phone covers, more fans. Morning.
Morning. How are you, my friend?
Good, how are you?
Oh, you
all right.
VIP?
Yeah, VIP. Yeah, you got VIP too. No tricks?
No.
No tricks.
That doesn't.
Oh, these ones. Yeah, they pretty much all have the same exact thing. Trinket shops, I call them. And you got the food, you got cell phones here. Actual cell phones themselves for sale.